Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 15th of September 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty closed positive at 20,192.35, up 89.25 points. Long build-up seen in Nifty with increased OI 4,952 contracts. Nifty options build-ups. Nifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 20,200, with OI increased by 64.78%. Nifty support or put option OI build-up at 20,200, with OI increased by 292.03%. Banknifty closed positive at 46,231.5, up 230.65 points. Long build-up seen in Banknifty with increased OI 1,718.4 contracts. Banknifty option build-ups. Banknifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 46,300, with OI increased by 109.64%. Banknifty support or put option OI build-up at 46,200, with OI increased by 399.78%. Cash market positions. FII today bought 164.41 CR. DII today bought 1,938.57 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII bought 280.21 CR in index futures. Also sold 6,065.59 CR in index option. They bought 5,368.72 CR in stocks futures. And sold 23.09 CR in stocks option. Total net sold 439.75 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII added 2,781 long contracts and closed 412 short contracts. With this, FII is now net long in index with 62,030 contracts compared to previous 58,837 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII added 19,952 long contracts and closed 50,217 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 20,252 contracts compared to previous minus 90,421 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII added 189,147 call long and added 189,794 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to 378,941 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options, FII added 119,754 put long and added 195,041 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to 314,795 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII net put long is 320,231 contracts compared to previous 390,271 contracts. And net call long is 317,530 contracts compared to previous 323,424 contracts. FII net option buildups. Option buildups on short side is less than long side suggest that downside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position buildups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.